Hi everyone, welcome to Infotechnica. Today we are going to discuss about how to install Esxi 8.0 version in VM Player. First we will log into the VM Player and select a image. We'll mount the image which is the vmware 8.0.2. Then we select the locations, name, then give the disk size and store the virtual disk, then customize, give the RAM, memory, then CPU and uncheck the Intel VT2 processor. Finish. Once it is settings done, it will start the ESX installation. So this will take a couple of minutes to install. So it is trying to load the image and it is booting up. Let's wait for some time. Now you have to go for the setting, enter to continue, F11 to accept the terms conditions. Then it will start the scanning of the hardware devices. Then you have to press enter to continue. It is selecting the disk. So once it is selected the disk, press enter. Then select the language, give the root password. It should be at least 7-character length. Click enter to continue. Then click F11 to install. So this will take a few minutes. Once it is done, click enter to reboot. So it will take a minute to reboot and come back. So the ESX is rebooting and it is loading. So now it is loaded. Currently the IP is set to DHCP. We will have to set it to static IP. For that we need to click on the F2, which is the customizing key. So once we click on F2, it will ask for the root password. You have to give the root and the password which we initially given. Then we have to go to configure management network where we have to set up the IPv4 configuration to static. I have to click OK. And you have to go for the DNS. You have to do the same static and click escape. It will ask for restarting the management network. It will restart and escape from the console. So we can see the IP is configured as static. Now you need to go to the browser, open a browser and provide the IP address. It is HTTPS and continue and provide the credentials, root credentials. Now you will be able to log into the ESX8. So this is a view. So if you want to see more about the things, go to your user ID, means your user in the right side, and click on the about, help about. It will show the version and other stuff. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share Infotechnica.